skills too. 1A. Listen to an interview with Miss Sweetie, the advice columnist of 14 magazine.
So, how do you like this work?
Oh, very much. I feel like I'm living my teenage years again. But really, it's great that I can help our dear readers in this way.
Do you find it difficult to give advice?
Well, yes. I take time to think of the best possible advice that I can give. I think it's most important that we put ourselves in other people's shoes.
So it's about being able to empathise?
Exactly. But even so, we also need to be very careful about how to put the advice into words. We need to be sensitive. It's not only about giving the best solution, it's also about helping the person get over the negative feelings. For example, I often use, "It might be a good idea to," rather than, "You ought to." Or perhaps, "I think you should," for me sounds much better than, "You must."